Kia ora ana tātou katoa toi te aroa maata, te aroa ngau, te aroa atupaka, te aroa rānui, te aroa kōrero o tō tātou atua. Tōku ingoa ko Linda Zoll, kua anau i au te enua ko Mangaia, tōku ngā metua ko tōku mama o Mary Rere, ni tūara tōku pāpā o ngā tokorua rere no te enua Mangaia mai, tōku pāpā e rarotonga katoa, e tōku mama no te enua Mangaia rarotonga peritāne te kōtia e Airani mai aia. Kua tere mai au i Aotearoa nei i te mataiti taitauatini i Waanere e Warunga Uru Maono, e te mataora nei au i te arawe i koto katoa toa i te iara. Matariki to me is a time of reflection, renewal and connection. It is a time for our community to come together to honour those who have passed, to celebrate our achievements and to inspire the next generation to carry our cultures and traditions forward. Matariki can play a huge part in our community. It can continue to unite our community, to strengthen our cultural identity, and to inspire our future generations to value their heritage, to care for one another, and to look to the future with hope and purpose. Matariki reflects values that are deeply rooted in our Cook Islands culture, honouring our ancestors, giving thanks for the blessings of today, and ensuring that our language, traditions and identity are passed on to the future generations. Kia aka me te ki e te atua no te atianga, kia mataora koutou i te akaipaepaanga i te tuatau o te Matariki, kia aroa e kia teki mai te atua i a koutou katoa toa. Kia ora ana e kia manuia.